Is it raining? No. It's not. Yeah, the circles, are they wet? Circles are wet. It's raining.
No.
It's raining. Stomp. We better get back in the car. It's raining on us, kitty. Ah! Come on this way. Rain, rain, rain. Rain, 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 rain. The cars are wet because it's raining. The truck got wet. Everything got wet. That car is going over there. Do you know whose birthday it is? It's raining. Wow. Is it raining on the flowers? It's raining on the tree? Is it raining on you? It's raining on me. Wow. Oh my, is it very rainy? Oh my. See all those flowers? Should we go across back to our car? What do you see? I think we're getting kind of far afield. I see you. I see you. Oh my. We're crazy, aren't we, out here running around in the rain? I think we're too wet. I think we better go back to the car. What do you think? What do you think? Should we go back to the car? You want to drive the car? Are you sure? There's a big bird. You gonna see me? I see you. Where are you? What's the matter? Are you gonna see me? What are you doing? It's wet. Are you wet? Oh my. Is there a bear on your shirt? Is he wet too? No. It's a very blustery day, Bear. Okay, come on. We better get back in our car. That's the ants. Yeah, we don't want to go in there. That's okay. Oh, there's a nut. It's your lucky day you found a nut, but it's raining hard now. We have to go and say bye-bye.